Homemade shampoo to prevent hair loss. There are periods of time that you notice your hair is falling out more frequently. It is weaker, has split ends, brittle. You are losing hair and don't know what to do. Hair loss is due to many causes, from genetic factors to stress problems. A simple way to take care of it and strengthen it is with proper treatment. We will explain how to make your own anti-hair loss shampoo here. It is very simple and economic. How to make your own homemade shampoo for hair loss. We all know, it is truly concerning. For men, it is almost always due to hereditary factors, a hereditary shadow from fathers to sons that is difficult to avoid. But for us, factors tend to be varied and are fortunately reversible in many cases if you follow proper lifestyle habits, which is why you should include more vitamins and take better care of your diet. Let's see what tends to cause hair loss in us. Hormonal problems, metabolic changes, shortage of iron and other minerals, vitamin E deficiency, stress or anxiety problems, dandruff or even fat that blocks the hair follicle, excess testosterone associated with certain diseases. 1. What you need to make anti-hair loss shampoo. The first thing you will need is natural shampoo with neutral pH. You will need to use it as a base for the rest of the ingredients, which is why the kind usually used for babies is great, for example. They tend to be the most natural kinds in the store. You will just need a small bottle, the standard kind that is found in stores. To make your anti-hair loss shampoo, use essential rosemary oil. It is great for reactivating the blood flow and giving your hair strength. You will also need essential lemon oil. It is a great antiseptic and is refreshing. You will also need 2 vitamin E capsules. You can find them in natural stores as well as pharmacies. It is a basic and ideal component for fighting hair loss. It has great results. 2. How to make it. It is very simple. Just pour 10 drops of essential rosemary oil and 10 of essential lemon oil in your neutral shampoo. Then, don't forget to add the 2 vitamin E capsules. Shake the shampoo bottle well and it's done. It's important to use this anti-hair loss shampoo frequently, at least every other day. You should apply it to wet hair and do a scalp massage for at least 10 minutes. Then, let sit for 10 more minutes. Last, rinse with warm, not hot, water. See how easy it is? It is a refreshing shampoo, with elements that will activate circulation and regenerate the strength of your hair. Hair loss lotion, great for after shampooing. Nettle. Nettle is a medicinal plant that strengthens your hair and fights hair loss. You will find a lot of hair care items with this ingredient in pharmacies and natural stores. There are lotions and shampoos, a wide range that has very good results. We will give you a simple recipe so that you can benefit from it and to use after the shampoo mentioned above. Take note. Take 6 nettle leaves and make an infusion, just like the one you drink every afternoon. Bring a cup of water to boil, add the leaves when it starts boiling, and let sit for 10 minutes. Strain it and let it cool for a little bit. It is better for it to be warm than completely cold. Great. Once you have washed your hair with a shampoo and rinsed it, add this nettle infusion and do a small massage again for at least 10 minutes. Remember that this nettle-based lotion does not need to be rinsed out afterward. In other words, you should do this massage for 10 minutes and then let your hair dry. If you dry your hair with a blow dryer, try to keep it at low temperature, because it can dry out and damage your hair. You can wash your hair with a shampoo every other day, while you can use this great nettle-based lotion twice a week. Be consistent and you will see results.